Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use gel polish and how to do this cloud nail art. All of the products that I used are available on Amazon and will be linked down below. Let's get started. First you'll need a gel base coat and top coat. Then you'll need to choose a light pink and a white. This part is optional, but I am using rhinestones and I'm going to be using the little ones that you see here. Most importantly, you'll need a dotting tool to make the clouds. Finally, you will absolutely need a UV lamp to cure the gel polish, and gel is recommended for the nail art that I'll be showing you today. So first, I'll show you how to use gel polish, and I'll be doing this on a nail swatch stick. So the first thing that we have to do, and one of the most important steps, is to apply a base coat. The one I'm using today is from Imayli, and it's a really good base coat that will help the gel polish to adhere to your nails. When applying the base coat, you want to remember that you only need a really thin layer. If you put on anything too thick, then it won't dry properly in the UV lamp. Once it's finished being applied, go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Now we're ready for our first coat of gel polish, and I'm going to be taking the color 022. For anyone who has not used gel polish before, just keep in mind that the base coat is very sticky, and just try not to touch anything and just move on with the layers of gel polish, because any lint or anything like that will stick to the base. So all I'm doing here is applying a couple of really thin coats of the gel polish. This color is a bit more on the sheer side, so it does take some playing around to get it how you want it to look. And the good thing is that the gel polish will never dry unless it's cured in the lamp, so you have a lot of time to play around with it. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can put it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. After that's done, you can go ahead and apply one more coat of the polish. Personally, I actually like how this looks with only one coat, but just for the sake of showing you how to use gel polish and the fact that usually you will be doing 2 coats, I'm just going to show you how to do that. Once you're happy with how that looks, go ahead and cure it for another 60 seconds. Then the next step is grabbing your gel color in 011 and your dotting tool, and we'll get started with the nail art. So what I do to get some gel polish onto the dotting tool is just open up the gel polish and take some from the brush. You want to make sure that you have a good amount of the gel polish onto the dotting tool, and then what you're going to do is create little round circles and kind of join them together. You don't want all of the clouds to look the same, so you can experiment and make each cloud a little bit of a different shape. Also keep in mind that if you want to add rhinestones, you want to make sure that the clouds are spread out so that you have room to put them on. So now I'm just going to continue with making the clouds. You'll notice that I'm going from side to side and adding a cloud as I go, just making them different sizes and making them each a little bit different. When I was done with this, I went ahead and put it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds, but I believe that I went in with the white a little bit too thick, so I'd recommend putting it in for maybe 90 seconds instead. So after this is cured in the UV lamp for 90 seconds, we can move on with the rhinestones. I'm going to be using really small tweezers to take them out of the container and to also apply them to the nail. So all you're going to do is pick up a rhinestone with the tweezer and carefully lay it on the nail where you want it. Once it's on the nail, you want to carefully press it down just so that the brush from the top coat we'll be using doesn't move the rhinestones around. So now that the rhinestones are applied, we're going to go in with a no wipe top coat. And what the term no wipe top coat means is that generally once you're done with gel nails, the top coat that is applied will be sticky after it's cured in the UV lamp, and you'll need to go in with an alcohol wipe to remove it. But with this one, you do not have to do that. So personally, I decided to go in with a really generous layer of the top coat just to make sure that the rhinestones are really secure and are not going to fall off. Once you're done applying that layer, you can put it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So this is what the nail will look like when you're all done. This is personally how I decided to do the nail art, but you can definitely place the clouds and the rhinestones whichever way you want. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!